how to activate health insurance if you are new in Switzerland. We receive many inquiries from people newly arriving in Switzerland, and it's also true that health insurance is not our main business, but in fact it is part of our overall consulting services. So this topic will also be addressed from time to time. You need to pay attention to the documentation when applying as a new arrival in Switzerland who wants to activate health insurance, because there is often confusion among the various certificates or documents that need to be submitted in order to activate the basic insurance. What the insurance companies need, in fact, are two documents. The first document that would be suitable is the residence permit. The problem is that often the client does not have the residence permit right away, and the application process can often take quite some time. Much simpler and faster instead is the entry notification from the municipality. However, you need to be very careful that it is actually the entry notification and not a document that certifies your residence. This is because it is essential for the insurance that the document includes the place of origin and the date of entry into Switzerland. These are details that are not necessarily present in the document certifying residence. In other words, they are not always included. So it is important that this information, these details, are included in the document. In addition to this, it is also important to comply with the deadlines for activating health insurance, but we will cover this and explain it in another video.